पहले मुझे चेस बिल्कुल नहीं खेलना आता था, लेकिन आज
वजीर देखने के बाद
मैंने सब कुछ सीख लिया। वक्त मैं ज़्यादा वक्त बिताता हूँ ये सोचने में कि बाकी के लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या उनकी लाइफ में। मेरे जासूस भी हैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में। मेरा एक साइको एनालिटिकल टेस्ट जो हो रहा है, तो आप कितने बार
We have just discovered a hidden talent
इन हूँ
in you.
रियली व्हाट इज दैट? क्या कर रहे हैं आप? ये सलमान टीवी क्या क्या चीजें हमने सिखाई आपको इस शो में?
बहुत ज़्यादा। वजीर वजीर जी
ये
हजूर।
सीटों सेल्फी ये कहीं नहीं आप देख पाएंगे। सिर्फ यार मेरा सुपरस्टार पे आपको ये सब मिलेगा कि होस्ट अपने आप को एक गन से, एक नकली गन से पीट रहा है।
यार मेरा सुपरस्टार विथ मी गरिमा कुमार।
तो
ऑडियो खराब हो गया उसका।
खेल खेल में, खेल खेल के
खेल खेलिए आ जाएगा।
आ जाएगा।
हार जीत के, हार जीत से जीत हारना सिखाएगा।
वाह वाह वाह, तालियां। वाह।
अच्छा, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन टू मी?
यस
मैं आप ही के टीम में था
जी।
तो आप मुझे क्यों अटैक कर रहे
मैं भूल गई
हैं? ये
थी।
म्यूटिनी जो आपने की है, इट्स कॉल्ड ट्रीजन।
It's called treason,
Exactly.
exactly.
Beheaded for that. Like this poor fellow just got.
हमारा किंग को क्या हो गया?
बेचारा बादशाह,
किसने?
आपका बादशाह लुढ़क गया।
शो के स्टार्ट में ही हमारा बादशाह लुढ़क गए हैं। वो आपके टीम में है ना हमारे बादशाह?
उसका है
आपने-
मेकअप वार्डरोब करना पड़ेगा, हो जाएगा।
ख्याल नहीं रखा बादशाह जी का। तो जैसे कि फरहान आपके साथ ट्रीजन हुआ है स्टार्टिंग में ही शो के, लाइफ में भी ऐसा हुआ है क्या?
No, nobody has ever given me treason to be.
This is the lunch.
This is the lunch. Absolutely. इसकी कभी कोई त्वचा नहीं थी। कभी कोई त्वचा मुझे नहीं मिली। No treason was given.
हाँ। और अदिति आपके साथ एनी ट्रीजन?
No treason to have any treason.
अच्छा।
Or any treason.
ओके, बट जैसे कि हाँ, फरहान ने बहुत ही स्टाइलिश डायलॉग मारा कि खेल खेल में, खेल जो भी करते हुए एंड में सीख जाएंगे। तो
हाँ।
आज मुझे चेस के बारे में कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है।
ओह अच्छा अच्छा, तो पहली चीज मैं आपको
That's actually was a tactic.
पहली चीज मैं आपको समझाऊंगा कि 3 पीसेस के साथ आप चेस नहीं खेल सकते।
नहीं ये हमारा
वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बच्चे, किड्स हु आर वाचिंग दिस एट होम, दिस इज ऑल फेक। ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि 3 पीसेस के साथ आप चेस खेल सकते हैं। यू नीड हाउ मेनी पीसेस ऑन ईच साइड?
18, 32।
ऑन ईच साइड?
No, one
Those
side
are
18.
teeth.
16.
Oh, 16. Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry very much.
16 pieces on either side.
जी जी जी।
Half are black, half are white.
Correct.
Need a board like this,
हाँ जी।
and then you play.
And how do we play is what we're going to now while talking, showing.
How do we play? मतलब you know some chess experts or something.
अरे but है ना फिल्म में वजीर।
मतलब we started some like what do they call those tele services? पहले मुझे चेस बिल्कुल नहीं खेलना आता था, लेकिन आज
वजीर देखने के बाद
देखिए बात, मैंने सब कुछ सीख लिया है।
लेकिन एक बार
आज जाएंगे
आप भी सीख सकते हैं 2 दिन के अंदर। इनसे पूछिए ना, यू शुड स्टार्ट। मुझे
हाँ।
पहले नहीं आता था। मैं पहले बहुत बोर हुआ करती थी, ऐसा कुछ।
लेकिन जब मैंने फरहान को देखा दूर से, आई कुडंट रिकॉग्नाइज यू।
Right.
ये कुछ
It's still not me.
इट्स नॉट ना।
Yeah, I've sent somebody else. I've sent somebody else. It completely defeats the purpose of
चेस
this.
की बाजी। पर ये जो नया अवतार है,
जी।
आप रिकॉग्नाइज कर पाए फरहान को? मतलब आपने काफ़ी टाइम स्पेंड किया, वजीर में तो काफ़ी डिफरेंट थे, इस वक्त बहुत ही अलग लग रहे हैं। तो ये वाला बियर्ड वाला कि in the movie you don't have a beard, no?
No, I don't. I have a mustache.
Mustache.
हाँ,
Yes, I've kept the mustache from the film actually, and I've grown the beard.
Just so
around.
we can recognize him.
just so we can
Yeah.
recognize.
Yeah, there is some semblance between Danish Ali and this character that I'm playing.
हाँ, एक ब्लैक है और एक वाइट है, तो आप अपनी टीम्स चूज कर लीजिए। हमने
चूज तो कर लिया था ना हम लोग।
हाँ सॉरी,
आए थे
तो
सर पे रख के हम लोग
तो
एक-
आ जाइए, आप अपनी पोजीशंस ले लीजिए, अदिति एंड फरहान।
Okay then.
नहीं मतलब वाइट हैज टू गो देयर।
I'll go here.
हाँ,
Ready? You have to play first.
उन्होंने सबसे पहले वजीर को चुना है। आपने वजीर को चुना सबसे पहले, क्यों?
इतने सारे चॉइसेस जो थे आपके पास ऑफ 2 pieces that you could do.
Wazir is the top.
Is that 8th of Jan written on this? अच्छा
It must be. It must be.
check. And I'm coming to give her a check.
Again.
Mommy, this is not fair. The king and queen next to each other.
I'm going to bring the हाथी now over here.
हाँ.
और एक और चेक में अभी इन्हें दे रहा हूँ. Good, you good. It's done. नहीं, तो चलिए ये इनका वजीर मेरे पास आ गया. Fantastic.
की चाल, घोड़े की चाल।
चेक। ये गेम ड्रॉ हो चुका है भाई।
अच्छा, हो गया है क्या?
बस हो गया।
ड्रॉ हो गया?
ड्रॉ हो गया, ड्रॉ।
And we got 1-1, but you got the wazir. The wazir.
Draw.
But
the wazir I got.
Exactly.
Which was very, very difficult.
हाँ,
So
वजीर को
you
वापस
got
I sacrificed that to get the wazir.
this is the hathi, right?
That's the hathi.
So this
The
is.
hathi was sacrificed to get the wazir. See that? Oh. Oh.
That's awesome.
वैसे
अब इस सेंटेंस का मतलब क्या है वो आपको समझ में आएगा जब 8th of January 8th of January जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे कि हाथी ने अपने आप को
सैक्रिफाइस
किया ताकि वजीर मिल जाए.
I think we've revealed the end of the movie.
Too good, huh?
You look
Let's see.
This is really.
हमारा काम तो हो गया.
लेकिन अब मुझे लगा था कि चेस इज अबाउट सेविंग द किंग. यहाँ पे हम वजीर के लिए
नहीं, but ये ड्रॉ हो चुका है अभी.
अच्छा.
Because she'll move, then I'll move, then she'll come back, then I'll go back. ऐसा चलता रहेगा.
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ. तो लेकिन जो वजीर है उनको ले आए हम क्योंकि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इंसान
हाँ,
है. उनको ले
इम्पोर्टेंट
आते हैं.
इंसान.
इंसान.
ये बहुत ही अजीब सा इंसान है. आपने शायद पहले ऐसे इंसान देखे ना. तो we'll get this one here.
हाँ. और घोड़े को भी रख लीजिए अपने पास. अब सवाल ये है फरहान और आपसे अदिति कि इन सब में से सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार या सबसे ज़्यादा आइडेंटिफिकेशन आपकी किस कैरेक्टर के साथ है? वजीर के साथ, घोड़े के साथ, ऊँट के साथ, या किंग या क्वीन या Christ-like.
I know
है ना?
Farhan's answer,
Oh.
and I know mine also, and that's why I think what we won was very cool.
Yeah. वो समझने वाले समझ गए.
मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया.
हमारी मिस्ट्री है भाई पिक्चर.
इसलिए
We have
इसलिए
even
जब
talk
आप
in riddles.
इसलिए जब आप फिल्म देखेंगी तो खुद ब खुद आपको भी
अच्छा.
समझ
8
में आएगा
जनवरी को.
कि
अच्छा.
इस गेम में जो हुआ है
हाँ.
वो क्या मायने रखता है आपको समझ में आएगा.
माय गॉड. और ये बाय चांस हुआ ना, ऑर्गेनिकली हुआ.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Seriously,
Yeah.
it was quite amazing. Yeah.
पर आपकी वैसे चाल किसकी तरह है लाइफ में?
मेरी चाल
जो आपकी जिंदगी की चाल है, जिंदगी के मूव्स जो आपने बनाए हैं, वो किस
आई थिंक लाइक अ पागल हाथी.
like a
मैं
पागल
बिल्कुल
हाथी.
सीधा चलता हूँ.
ओके. मतलब ब्लिंकर्स पहन के बस सीधे देखना.
फोकस मतलब एक बार डिसाइड कर लिया ऐसा करना है तो देन इट्स जस्ट स्ट्रेट.
और कब ये फोकस कब आया जिंदगी में आपकी? व्हेन वर यू गॉट कंप्लीटली फोकस्ड इन लाइफ?
I would maybe 17-18 years ago.
दैट यंग.
Yeah.
तो क्या फोकस था उस टाइम?
क्या फोकस था मतलब?
किस चीज पे आपने फोकस किया?
कि मुझे अपनी पहली फिल्म बनानी है which was दिल चाहता है at that time.
एंड व्हाट अ फिल्म इट
जो भी हो
वाज.
जाए I need to make that movie. So I think that's really where that kind of focus started from.
हाँ. और फिर कितना मुश्किल है आसान था उस फोकस, उस विजन को?
नहीं आसान तो नहीं था क्योंकि लोगों को ये कन्विंस करना कि मुझे आता है फिल्म कैसे बनानी है, that I'll be able to direct, that I'll be able to put a film together.
जी.
तो ये सारी चीज़ें लोगों को मतलब थोड़ा बहुत विश्वास और भरोसा करना पड़ा. तो that takes time, you know, to be able to convince people, especially when you have no work behind you to show them.
जब दिल चाहता है रिलीज हुई थी, आपको याद है व्हाट वर यू डूइंग एंड व्हाट, समवेयर दैट वन मूवी ने किसी ना किसी को तो इन्फ्लुएंस किया ही है.
It was just amazing.
है ना? एक कल्ट
Yeah.
फिल्म जो बन गई थी.
Yeah. It was so cool for the first time. You saw a cool film where you identified with those people. I was studying, and you know, like amongst my friends, there was this thing, oh, we won't watch a Hindi movie, what this kind of snobbery. And that was the one film that everybody was like, we are going to watch this in our chuttis. And we were in boarding school, so it was like a really big thing. And for once, I felt like, yes, I finally have people who are going to watch this with me. So it was really amazing.
And in your life, the focus, you know, कि मुझे ये चीज़ करनी है. When did that happen? और वो क्या था वो focus?
I've always known if I'm doing something, I'll put myself in it 100%. Otherwise, I won't do it only, which is actually a stupid thing because you should be a little more fearless to try out stuff that you don't know. But if I'm doing something, I want to do it properly. Otherwise, I'll just sit and watch and say, not for me. Or whatever.
So films was one of that.
Yeah. Films, dancing, whatever it is. Whatever it is.
Performance.
I've just like, if I've believed in it, I'm there 100%. It's with even the directors that I want to work with or whatever. I just have to trust them. And then they can make me do anything. A flip, a handstand, a stand in the sun on my head. I'll do it for them. I won't ask any questions.
You can do handstand?
It's a trust thing. I can do a headstand, not a handstand.
Wow, really cool. फरहान, हम लोग ने भी इतना अच्छा चेस का गेम खेला, शतरंज का खेल खेला. How important
मुझे
is?
बहुत खुशी है कि आपको ये गेम अच्छा लगा.
नहीं, actually मैं काफ़ी involved हो गई थी. I think I would like to actually go back and now actually figure it out and learn
Yes,
it.
you should. It's a fun game.
हाँ. But what does playing chess do to you? Like, why is it like a brain teaser, polishes your brain?
Yeah, I mean there are certain scientific studies.
अच्छा.
ऐसे हुए कि if you play games like chess, अगर आप क्रॉसवर्ड करें, अगर आप वो सुडोकू करें, इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर योर ब्रेन बिकॉज इट्स एक्सरसाइजिंग योर ब्रेन कॉन्स्टेंटली. तो चीज़ें जो लाइफ में हो सकती हैं, जैसे अल्जाइमर्स आपको हो सकता है, अलग अलग चीज़ें जो हैं, जो मेंटल, as you grow old, you can form some kind of mental diseases, if you want to call it that.
Right.
You know, that it combats that.
Correct.
So it takes care of that because it keeps your mind very, very active in terms of solving problems, thinking about things, being in the moment. So chess is, I guess, something like that.
But do you strategize in life? Like how in chess you have to really strategize, think ahead, plan ahead. करते हो आप life में?
I don't think I am. No, I don't think I strategize, but I'm very like in the moment. What I feel like doing. I'm a very heart person. I don't think my
दिमाग से.
buddhi works like that.
हाँ,
I don't know.
Can't.
कुछ हद तक तो
Of course, yeah, yeah.
जैसे आज सुबह मुझे लगा कि मुझे 5 मिनट पहले निकलना चाहिए to be at the studio. What a amazing strategy.
वाह वाह. उसके लिए हम आपसे बहुत thankful हैं.
Thank you.
फरहान was here 5 minutes early.
5 minutes early. It was my strategy to impress everybody.
और क्या क्या strategies बनाई हैं आपने life में?
नहीं बस वही है.
बस 5 मिनट जल्दी.
मैं टाइम पे आ जाता हूँ and then everyone feels good.
हाँ.
है कि नहीं? Don't you feel good when people come on time?
I तो love it.
Then बस हो गया. Strategy is perfect.
बहुत ही simple strategy life
बिल्कुल.
की, है
That's
ना?
all you
To
need.
keep people
Should be
happy.
only, I
See, what is it? आपके पास वो क्या चीज़ है जो आप किसी और को दे सकते हैं? अपना वक्त. तो अगर
एक
आप
मिनट इस पे जरा क्या डायलॉग था मारो यार एक छोटा सा.
कुछ स्टेप तो होना चाहिए. तो है कि नहीं?
हाँ जी,
वो एक
बिल्कुल.
चीज़ है जो आप किसी को दे सकते हैं.
एक और बार फिर से.
तो अगर आप उन्हें
फिर से एक बार फिर से एक बार वन मोर स्टाइल के साथ.
स्टाइल के साथ नहीं.
वही एक चीज जो आप दे सकते हो.
I don't speak like that, but
these are
अच्छा
impact.
वो क्या था मैं वही भूल गया. मैं कंफ्यूज में
वो
कंप्लीट.
क्या चीज है जो औरों को
हाँ, वो क्या एक चीज़ है जो आप किसी और को दे सकते हैं?
अपना वक्त.
आप उन्हें दे सकते हैं. So the thing is, you should never waste anybody's time. I really feel that. I don't want anyone wasting my time, and you should not waste anyone's time. You should respect people's time.
करेक्ट है.
And when you do that, I feel that's a good strategy because people feel respected if you don't waste their time.
Very true. And
I'm glad you approve. Come. हमारा काम हो गया. After everyone. भाई हमारा काम तो हो गया. चलिए.
स्ट्रेटजी आपकी काम हो जाना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
और जो रूल्स ऑफ द गेम हैं चेस के तो हो ही. लाइफ में ऐसे कोई सेट रूल्स हैं आप लोगों के? दिस इज माय रूल.
Did you say chess के तो हो ही? That's what you just said. Yeah. Chess के तो हो ही. It's interesting. एक नई लैंग्वेज हमने आज यहाँ क्रिएट की. जहाँ है ही का शॉर्ट फॉर्म भी हो गया है आज का लाइफ. हो ही.
दैट्स माय स्ट्रेटजी. डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, फटाफट बात करो. तो चेस के तो हो ही हैं.
हाँ, चेस के तो हो ही.
चेस के तो हो ही हैं रूल्स ऑफ द गेम. लाइफ के हो ही हैं.
Okay, my
Like
face
आपके
is
कोई-
hurting now laughing.
सॉरी.
लाइफ में रूल्स.
हाँ हो ही हैं.
बट जैसे कि
Like, do you have your rules for your life, for how you want to lead your life, or as a director, do you have rules on the set? As a, when you're an actor, do you have rules?
I mean, see, there is a framework now within which everything operates.
Sure.
Of your sensibility, of your aesthetic. like I said of time, जब मैं direct कर रहा हूँ, I don't want people wasting time. I think that's basically it. Even when I'm acting, I don't want people wasting time actually. You know, the more time you have actually doing creative work, the better it is for everyone involved. So that is there. But उसके अलावा मतलब there is, I mean, I don't know, it just depends on your
So there's like no rules as such that you
नहीं,
move
ऐसा तो
with.
कुछ नहीं. No, you have to be flexible to
Okay.
a certain extent in life.
अच्छा. What about you, Aditi?
Rules. The rules.
तुमको देख के लगता है बहुत rules होंगे. ऐसा मेरे को feeling आता है.
Why?
I
Excuse
don't
me.
know. I just feel that you're a very person who's got like.
You look very rulish.
Sounds terrible. I'm actually totally not rulish.
हाँ.
No, but like what Farhan
आप
said, I
rulish
think
नहीं
there are certain things that you live by, but those are very natural to you, right? Like I always feel like everybody tries to find terrible things about people or about situations, but it's so much better to look at the nice things, the positive things in any situation, because it's very easy to be like stick in the mud and be like, bam, whatever. It's so much nicer to just be happier about it and to find things to be happy about. I prefer to be like that. So I think that's a basic. It's not a rule, but yeah, it's a basic.
Something that you like something you live by.
Yeah, it's something I've seen my mum do always, and I've imbibed that, and I enjoy that.
हाँ.
I also I don't like actually rules, because rules stick you in a box and you can never get out of the box.
सब लोग.
Bags.
आपका भी हो जाए.
हुई?
इनका बैग से, ओए, इनका बैग से मेरा हुई है, आपका क्या है?
आ जाएगा naturally.
जाएगा?
कुछ
नहीं,
तो
मेरे को claustrophobia होता है bags के अंदर
Bags
बहुत
के
ज़्यादा, and
Who put
I
you
feel
in a
like you
bag?
should be a bag.
No, in a bags.
Everybody does, yeah. No, people do, right? It's like how you said, you must be having rules. You probably know whatever. It's so nice to live in the moment, to be a free spirit, to
Okay,
enjoy
like that.
everything to the maximum. That's all.
वैसे शतरंज के खिलाड़ी और मतलब जैसे शतरंज के खिलाड़ी होते हैं वो अपने ओपोनेंट्स का हमेशा ख्याल रखते हैं कि हमारे ओपोनेंट्स क्या कर रहे हैं. आप यहाँ वहाँ देखते हैं कि आपके जो कंपेटिटर्स हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं. डू यू कंपेयर?
Constantly. I'm obsessed with competition. And I spend more time. मैं ज़्यादा वक्त बिताता हूँ ये सोचने में कि बाकी के लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है उनकी लाइफ में. और मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो हो जाता है मतलब अपने आप ही. ज़्यादातर मैं अपना फोकस, मेरे जासूस भी हैं बहुत सारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में. वो लगता है कभी कभी आपको देखते हैं एक्टर एक्ट्रेसेस के गेट्स के बाहर लोग खड़े हैं, एक्चुअली मेरे जासूस जो फोटो दे रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं, कौन मिलने आ रहा है, ये सारी खबरें मुझे मिलती रहती हैं. और उसके बाद मैं अपना एक प्लान बनाता हूँ कि अच्छा तो ये वो है. Then that's how I choose my work. That's how I choose my work. That's how I make time for my holidays. You know, बच्चों के साथ मैं कौन सी फिल्में देखूंगा उसी पर डिपेंड करेगा कि मेरे जासूस मुझे क्या बोलते हैं. ये सारी चीजें. Yeah, I'm very
जासूस.
very competitive.
दिख रहा है. और आपके जासूस कहाँ घूम रहे हैं इस वक्त?
अंदर, खुद अंदर.
मेरे अंदर के जासूस.
ये बहुत ही
मेरे
डीप
अंदर
लड़की
के
है.
इंटरेस्टिंग है, मेरे अंदर के जासूस.
मेरे अंदर के जासूस.
No, because आपकी जो भी एनर्जी है, अगर आप दूसरों पे वो
खर्च
जाया
कर दोगे,
करेंगे
correct
तो
है.
उसका क्या फ़ायदा है? I guess you use whatever resources you have to better yourself and to better your interactions with the people that you love or respect or care for, whatever.
Do not waste time and do not waste energy
Yeah.
on trying to be better than somebody else.
Very important.
Right? Invest that time and invest that energy in being the best that you can be.
Yeah.
Is-
High five to that.
High five भाई. High
Absolutely.
five.
High five.
Very
High five.
succinctly,
High five.
Music.
beautifully
Music.
put.
High five.
Where's the music?
High five.
Again?
Yeah.
You know, high 15 हो गया अभी.
हाँ, so you also obviously were seconding what Farhan said. Farhan, वजीर
First thing.
में आप एक मैंने देखा है एंग्री यंग मैन आपको कहा जा रहा है.
Okay.
जो आप कोसो एंगर और आपका कुछ तालमेल है.
मतलब क्या मुझे कभी गुस्सा आया?
नहीं मतलब are you a short tempered person?
No, I'm not a short-tempered person. But when I do lose it, I lose it quite severely.
Have you ever seen him lose it? Thank God. You're a Capricorn, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's what happens. Suddenly the goat goes insane. It's
Do
like that.
not see a Capricorn lose.
So for
temper.
most of it, I'm very like good-natured and
Yeah,
I love
very-
making people up. But there's a switch in the brain. तो अगर वो किसी ने एक्टिवेट कर दिया, then it becomes a little bit.
और क्या वो चीज़ें हो सकती हैं जो वो स्विच को ऑन कर सकते हैं?
ज़्यादातर food.
I've heard
Hey,
this.
me too.
Yeah,
Oh
with
my
food.
God.
खाना?
Food, something happens to me.
I get very
I don't
cranky.
know. Yeah, I mean I get extremely cranky.
Yeah.
भगवान आप तो खा कर आए हो ना भाई.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
That's why we were laughing so much.
बिल्कुल. जब आप इनसे बात करेंगे अपनी बाइट्स भी लेंगे.
ताकि गुस्सा ना आए।
मेरी ग्लाइकोजन लेवल्स कंट्रोल में रहे।
तो बस खाना ही है मतलब, तो दैट्स वेरी सिंपल। अगर आपको गुस्सा नहीं करना है बस खाना रख दें।
No, you said what is the one? That is
One
something.
trigger.
Yeah, that is one of the trigger, but they're very few, very few, and it takes a lot. It takes a lot. It's not. It doesn't happen like this.
Okay.
It takes a lot for that.
So as a director, you're not the ones who kind of scream on the sets and.
No, I mean there are times. मतलब थोड़ा बहुत मतलब कुछ सख्ती दिखानी पड़ती है कभी-कभी just to get things in order.
ठीक है।
That has to happen. क्योंकि because set is a very chaotic place. आप तो मतलब you've been on set.
Correct.
On many sets. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब वहाँ पर जाएंगे और मतलब बिल्कुल एक शांत atmosphere में काम हो रहा है. There's always so much chaos going on. So sometimes that can get too much, and especially when an actor needs to focus on something and do something, you know, the noise can be a bit distracting, a bit disturbing. Because क्या होने लगा है ज़्यादा मैं देखता हूँ आजकल वो ये है कि एक परमानेंट शोर है सेट पे और सिर्फ टेक के पहले it goes quiet. So whatever you're trying to do and whatever focus you're trying to do, you have to do it within that little short period of time.
Very true.
You know what I mean? So sometimes that can be a little bit distracting because you want to stay focused. So at which point you may say something. I'm not saying you'll scream at anyone, but you'll be a bit firm about wanting things to be a little quiet, but not beyond that.
So one is the food that kind of ticks you off. So what are things that, okay, I'm sure if you put food in front of you, you'll be fine. But other than that, और क्या चीज़ें हैं जो आपको काम कर सकती हैं?
और क्या चीज़ें मुझे काम कर सकती
Is
हैं?
it हाँ?
Many things. Music, movies, going for a workout, swimming, playing volleyball, hanging out with the kids, with the family, with friends. So many things. Traveling.
Nice.
And more often than not, you're staying calm. ना ऐसा नहीं कि मैं मतलब गुस्से के मूड में रहता हूँ. People have to babysit me all day. Stay calm.
So
ऐसा
ये
तो-
जो खाने वाली बात थी, आपको कितने घंटे में खाना चाहिए? Every 2 hours खाना आना चाहिए? Every 3 hours की?
ये मतलब एक मेरे biological profile क्यों है? Can anybody explain this to me? मेरा एक psycho analytical test जो हो रहा है इस वक्त और एक biological profile. तो आप दिन में कितनी बार क्या मतलब है इसका? बस what am I to share now about this action?
बोल दिया आपने.
हाँ बस.
Okay, Aditi focus करें.
हाँ, why not? You can ask her.
Why not?
What makes you angry?
How often do you eat in the day?
No.
All this stuff you must
वो
say.
आपको तो
What
इतना
gets
ही.
me
हाँ,
angry?
you
What
also-
makes me angry?
हाँ.
If I'm not fed on time, I'm very cranky. And my anger comes out in very fat tears, which is a real problem because everybody's feeling sorry for me. Actually, I want to punch their face. So, yeah. So, but because you don't think that I'm going to punch you, right? I
Right.
won't also, but anyway. So, yeah, food triggers me off. The other thing is, again, this is going to sound vague, but injustice of any kind makes me very upset.
Wow. Okay.
And it could be...
So you must be very angry all the time right now.
Yeah, and that is the anger that Danish Ali has in the film. And that is the anger
Very
that
well
Pandit
related.
Omkar Nath Dhar
Yes.
Very well related again.
No, but since we're talking about this, you started from speaking about the angry young man.
Of course,
didn't
of
you?
course. हाँ.
Which I would assume was not about our personal lives.
No.
So that's the anger that he has. It's the injustice, seeing that the system is not working the way it should to get a certain person justice or to find the answers to a certain crime that has been committed. And that's really where the anger comes from.
So like the pawn, do you also take one step at a time, or do you like to go for the,
What does that mean?
do you plan when you plan your life, when you plan things, is it one step at a time, or do you really plan ahead for your career or just generally in life?
I guess it's a step at a time because that's what you can concentrate on what you have in front of you rather than concentrate on what you don't have, because then again I feel like you're wasting it. Yes, you have a goal and you have some focus, of course, which is something that is not within reach. That is true. But all your energies go towards what is in front of you and not crying or dying over what is there, not with you, whatever. Yeah.
What about you, Fran? I think he's left the building.
Sorry?
You left the building.
Yeah, no, more or less the same thing. No, it is seriously. I mean, if you think about it, it's like a game of chess.
हाँ.
When you start the game of chess, right? जब आप शुरू करते हैं तो आपका intention क्या है? ये कि मुझे दूसरे बादशाह को मारना है.
Correct है.
मगर आप सीधे एक चाल में तो जाके बादशाह को नहीं मार सकते. So you have to focus on each step at a time, but you have a goal. कि मतलब वो मैं करना चाहूँगा या चाहूँगी. वो goal हमेशा होता है, but you can't just land up straight there. You have to take things
Also, when you
one step
do
at a time.
that, it makes that fun. Your journey more fun.
Correct.
No, if somebody just moved and I could kill the king straight, I would.
That is
go.
different.
You would.
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
The strategy is tiring.
No, it's not tiring, but that's how life is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not going to be easy. You're not going to get the king so easily.
No, not at
है
all.
ना? तो अभी इस वक्त लाइफ में आपका king क्या है? What is the goal?
Oh God, this is
8th
very
of
bhari
January को
bharkam.
जब ये फिल्म रिलीज होगी,
वो goal है.
See the one right that's immediately in front of you.
Not
yeah, बिल्कुल. So that's the goal right now, that we want people to go in to the theatre on the 8th of January, watch this film, and what we can say, which is what we're here to say, and to assure them that it is a good film and that they will enjoy it.
And of course, the film, of course, is called Wazir. Very powerful person in the game of chess. Do you all enjoy power?
Do we enjoy power?
Do you like does like the power that you guys have? Does it intoxicate you?
These are
or
very like deep questions are going on.
very
This
questions
is really a
काफी deep.
profile is happening of our psyche.
psychological
Oh,
profile.
Yeah. I like power because without power I can't operate my geyser. Without power,
Yeah to that. Yeah to that.
my geyser doesn't operate.
इसमें भी
My
जरा-
air conditioning doesn't work.
Oh, very important.
You know, I mean, I can't charge my phone. which
That is the worst.
unbearable, you know,
Phone
and-
charge नहीं हो पाता
and-
यार.
Yeah, and then without power you can't lift weights. You know, just it's really you need power.
Yeah.
Without power, life is not
Super.
is
Powerless.
incomplete.
Yeah.
It's powerless. Correct.
And Miss Aditi,
Now I'll have to give a.
you have to put his answer in the more.
Okay, so to me,
मैं
power
बिल्कुल
is
सहमत हूँ इनके one of those.
power is the. To me, is to have the ability to choose what it is that you want,
Nice.
and to make an empowered choice. To me, is power. Everything else is whatever. I don't know.
True.
I think I don't know. Yeah.
And I really enjoyed watching Farhan doing the action sequences. I mean, and as many times Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra has also said, कि लगता नहीं था कि this is the first time he's kind of, you know, I think first time you held a gun also in a film.
In a film, yes.
In a film, yes.
Yeah, in a film, yes.
In life, a lot of times.
No, because I've directed actors now. Like we've done a lot of action sequences.
Right, right.
So it's not that I've not held a gun while shooting on a film.
We have a very nice gun for you. Can we have the gun, please?
Oh no.
We have a very nice gun.
Yeah, very interesting
ऐसी भी
gun.
चीज़ होती
Can
है,
I-
nice
हाँ.
guns.
Yes. Interesting,
Raja?
playful gun.
हाँ हाँ ये लोगों की जान लेता है मगर दिल का अच्छा ही है gun.
We have just discovered a hidden talent
In who?
in you.
Really, what is that?
It didn't come.
What is that?
Something, कुछ दिखाएंगे आप? आपने जो
I have no idea what you're talking about. क्या कर रही हैं आप? ये वे सर टीवी.
फरहान,
ये क्या है?
ये आपकी गन.
ये मेरी gun है?
वास्को डी गामा की.
वास्को डिगामा की. अच्छा क्या करूँ इसका?
ये आपका हम आपने जो इतनी important action sequences की है, we want some action sequence out here on the set right now.
I firstly want to thank Bijoy Nambiar and Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra for not giving me this gun during the shooting of this film. Okay, let's see. What do you want me to shoot that?
Yeah. Oh,
Not bad.
I
huh?
was going to say something. उसके पहले you action शुरू हो गया.
When you want to shoot, don't talk. Remember that famous line?
From where?
From Good, Bad and the Ugly.
Ah.
Oh, I don't remember.
Now, you want to hold your hand over there now?
Aditi can. Oh.
I swear I didn't do that. It went by itself.
Where is your aim?
Aditi
May I
can do
ask?
mana.
Okay, I'm going to aim for that lens.
Woo! Not
Amazing.
bad.
Amazing.
है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं?
बंदे में दम है बॉस.
ये लीजिए.
और आदिति आइए आपका जो ट्राई करते हैं. Aim.
What? This is not fair.
Action director, please direct. No, action director. Sorry.
That has to
How
be
do you do
shown.
this? What?
That shot
Like
must be shown in 100 frames now.
Right.
ये क्या है?
Of
ये
it
ऐसे?
traveling and hitting the lens.
That was too good. I must
It was
admit
good,
you.
huh?
It was very good effort, and I think it was
Effort
a brilliant
मतलब
shot.
it was
Utterly
a
effortless
success.
shot. Effortlessly successful shot.
What do I
Utterly-
shoot? What do I
तो
shoot?
वही पे
Yeah,
हमारे
that guy,
कैमरा.
that guy, the guy who's doing stills.
Not bad, Aditi. And
I meant this camera, by the way.
Oh, sorry.
I think you should apologize.
Sorry.
and how
नहीं,
about
जैसे मैंने लेंस को मारा मैंने उनको बोला लेंस से मारा.
how about you shoot the top
अफसोस.
of the pond?
It ran
What
out
is
of
that?
steam.
वो क्या घोड़ा है ना? घोड़े का head.
That's not a goda.
That is no sorry not घोड़ा.
ऊँट.
हाँ ऊँट.
What
Just
is-
the top part.
Hey,
But you have
this
to
is
give
not
expressions and all, like serious. Close
fair. Again, one last try.
It was a close call.
No,
It was a
no,
close
it
call.
wasn't. Sure, one more.
Last and final.
What am I doing? Wait, 1 second. Just...
बहुत ही tough है ये gun. Not easy to operate guns.
Hey, why do I get just the
Do you
top
think
of
a
it?
girl with a gun looks good? Oh. Let's have
चलिए.
Farhan. Let's have Farhan.
Third
go.
time lucky. Third time lucky. So now aim low, na?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Aim
Because
lower in
I'm
life.
aiming straight at it and it's not going.
And now we have the master classman, Mr.
No, done. Bas.
Master craftsman?
Okay, let me
You
try.
must always quit when you're on top.
That's true.
Remember that.
Yes.
So,
ये क्या हुआ?
Well done, on top.
always quit while you're on top. So after I've achieved the World Cup victory that I just had,
Yes.
I think I'm going to call it a day.
You know
क्या
that-
क्या चीजें हमने सिखाई आपको इस शो में?
बहुत ज़्यादा।
हाँ?
आपको वैसे वो याद है फेमस लाइन जो किंग बोलता है, वजीर वजीर जी
You just hit
हुजूर।
yourself in the eye. ये कहीं नहीं आप देख पाएंगे, सिर्फ यार मेरा सुपरस्टार पे आपको ये सब मिलेगा कि होस्ट अपने आप को एक नकली गन से पीट रहा है. Nowhere else in the world.
Thank you so much. This show is all about total nautanki, and I wish you guys super success for Wazir.
Thank you.
And keep
very
rocking as always.
much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Good to see you again.
यार मेरा सुपरस्टार with me, Garima Kumar.